Howdy folks, RC out here. What I'm doing today is I am accepting the challenge. Koba's Mosin Nagant challenge. Basically 10 rounds in the standing position at a target 100 meters away. So Koba, I'm going to give it a go. I'll be using the Model 9130 Nagant sniper today, but I'll be using the open sights. First thing I'm going to do is sight it in, make sure this thing's actually shooting straight, because frankly up until now I've just been using the scope. We'll try out the open sights and see what happens. Then after that, I'm going to go along with a Pakistan long branch. It's actually a long branch that was purchased by Pakistan and then re-arsenaled by the arsenal at the Pakistan Ordnance Factory, and I'm going to do the Mad Minute with that rifle. Another challenge. And we'll see how that works out too. Frankly, I've never even tried the Mad Minute, so I'm curious to see how it works out. I'll be doing that in the prone supported position. There's a lot of activity on the range right now, as you just heard. So hopefully a spot will open up in the range and I'll be able to get the camera out and do this stuff. So until then, I'll just suck down my Timmies and have a good time. Cheers folks, see you later. Yeah, we're going to be doing the Koba challenge. And today I've got the trusty Model 91 Ishfisk from 1943. I will not be using the PU scope for this challenge. I'll just be using the open sights. And so I got my target up at 100 meters. And as I recall, Koba, you wanted basically 100 meter deliberate standing. I hope I got that right, because that's what I'm going to do. Let's get this sweetheart loaded up. I'm running a, what is it? Yeah. I'm running a Cellular and Bellow Czechoslovakian 148 grain full metal jacket boat tail ammunition today. It's surplus ammunition from 1967, and which just so happens to be Canada's birthday. Well, that's our 100-year anniversary anyways. So, ears. Let's rock and roll. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself. Actually, something to consider for the future is take the best 8 out of 10, because everybody screws up. I mean, you're going to get a couple of flyers. 8 out of 10, maybe 7 out of 10, whatever, of your best rounds actually more likely are representative of your actual marksmanship ability. Measuring the 10 out of 10 is fine, it's just a constructive criticism for the future. Okay, first round doesn't want to load. That's a good start. Okay, here we go. He's making me shoot standing. That's mean. Not a good start. Not a good start. Hot today, really hot today. I'm getting tons of mirage off this rifle. Should have done this earlier in the morning. Okay, reload. I have to try to remember this isn't a rapid fire. This is all about accuracy. And I'm just banging them off. Come on. Excited yet? Bored yet? I'm not bored, I'm having a blast. Hooah! Get some! Get some! Woohoo, Mirage! You getting hot? I'm getting covered in my rifle with sweat. And that's all she wrote, folks. Oh yeah, she's hot. Let's go see what kind of disaster I've printed on the paper. Ooh, yeah. Wish you could feel that. Ooh, ouch. Okay, here's the group. I'm sure hoping there's 10 holes on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I didn't bring a tape measure, damn it. I will have to measure that at home. I guess I'll take this target off and bring it home and measure it for you, but I don't know, it seems to be kind of where the group wants to land. If the two flyers were taken off the end, then I'd probably be looking at a 8-inch group maybe, but we'll measure it full spread. These two here is probably 13 inches or something, but I'll measure it later. So that's pretty much the same as everybody else is getting. You know, it's pretty standard, a 14-inch group, 10 rounds, standing at 100 meters. You know, I think that's what everybody else is getting, about 14 inches or so. There's nothing special, but that's the way she rocks and rolls. Thanks a lot, you guys. That was fun. The Koba challenge. Let's do it again. Maybe something different next time. Maybe I'll propose a rifle share challenge. That's a little bit different. Maybe add some service rifle kind of stuff in there, low impact stuff, just for fun. Cheers, folks. Thanks. Okay, so here's the target for the PU sniper running open sights. Extreme spread is 11 1/4 inches. However, if you take the averages, it actually comes out to basically 8.2 inches for a 10-round grouping standing unsupported. However, the extreme spread is 11 1/4, and I'm not quite sure how you guys are scoring this, but that's what I managed to swindle out of the rifle. Okay, we're live. Mad minute. Okay, so I guess we can start the timer after the first round goes off.
I'll call it for you to start. And
okay.
Then as soon as the round goes off, I'll start the timer.
That works. Let's give me a ready, get set.
Shooter, ready,
Ready,
set, fire! Nine, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Unload and show clear. Clear.
Okay, the Mad Minute.
Count them up. Count them.
All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 rounds on target at 100 meters in 60 seconds. That can't be right. Is it right? So it was 10 plus 2 is 20. I fired 22 rounds, so 17 hits.
No, your first mag 2 is 32.
Yeah, so 10 rounds plus 2 stripper clips.
Oh,
Two
those are
stripper clip
5 each?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a total of 20 rounds there plus 2
22.
out of the last. So 22 rounds, so 17 hits. Was that right?
18.
18 hits. So 4 misses.
Yeah, and you don't know how much you missed by. Right?
No, I don't.
It could be.
They're probably lower
in
to
the
the
lower
left.
range.
It's probably these two right here. Looks like there's a bunch here.
Still a great rate of fire.
Yeah, those old girls can sure shoot quick. Not necessarily as accurate as a Mosin Nagant or something to that effect, but they can shoot a lot faster.
Well, I think the accuracy is obviously with the shooter and with the style, right?
Well, I mean, you're not going to get any accuracy doing what I just did.
But still, look at the target.
Yeah.
It's well hit.
It's well hit. Okay. Anyway, so that's Rifle Chair's attempt at the Mad Minute. A total of 18 rounds on target out of 22. The Mad Minute challenge, and basically extreme spread was 18. For the 18 rounds on paper was 18 and 3/4 of an inch. Landed 18 out of 22 rounds on paper for 18 and 3/4 of an inch. And if you do the math and look at what the average is, that comes out to about 16.42 inches. With the top 10 rounds landing within 8.5 inches. So not too bad. That's aiming is kind of it's a bit of a stretch when it comes to this kind of shooting. So that's it, guys. I have done my due diligence, gone out and accepted your challenges, and that's what I came up with. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers, bye.